Bow pose or Dhanurasana, named after an archer's bow. The Sanskrit term for bow pose, Dhanurasana, comes from two words, Dhanu meaning bow, Asana meaning pose. It's a beginner back bend that stretches the entire front of the body. The body forms a bow shape by connecting the hands and feet or lying on the belly. If you ever spent a day hunched over a computer, or if you practice sports that include a forward-reaching motion, such as swimming, cycling, or golfing, you know how good it feels to stretch your arms and lift your chest. Bending backward is a natural way to regain balance after hunching forward. Begin by lying flat on your stomach, with your forehead resting on your forearms. Inhale, bring your arms by the sides of your body. On an exhalation, bend your knees, reach back with both hands and hold onto your outer ankles, keeping your knees hip distance apart. Lower the chest and the head down to make sure that the spine is elongated and the knees are pointing to the back, keeping in line with the hips. On an inhalation, lift your heels up toward the ceiling. Draw your thighs up and off the mat. Your head, chest, and upper torso will also lift off the mat. Draw your tailbone down firmly into the floor, while you simultaneously lift your heels and thighs even higher. Lift your chest and press your shoulder blades firmly into the upper back. Draw your shoulders away from your ears. Gaze forward and breathe softly. Breath will become shallow, but do not hold the breath. The hands are holding firmly to the ankles, as the toes reaching strongly to the ceiling and the legs hugging into midline. This lifts the chest, balancing onto the belly. The abdominals are contracted to create an airbag to the lower back and protecting it. Release, exhale, and gently lower your thighs to the mat. Slowly release your legs and feet to the floor, and the forehead rest onto the forearms.